Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the GIZGA Essentials portable foil stand. This is meant for Apple iPad, Kindle Fire Tab, and Galaxy Tab, and other 7 to 10-inch tablets. Now, on the front side, we see how this thing can be deployed, and we used to hold back or rather hold a phone in ergonomic manner. Then on the side, you have a little QR code heading to their website. On the back side, it's the same thing. On either of the ends, you have the branding. And on this particular side, you can see the different orientations that the device can be set into. Just go ahead with the unboxing. So this is what it looks like. We've got the top part, which opens up, and then the arm goes all the way back. So this is roughly 135 degrees, you can call it. And it's got little steppings. So it's not exactly smooth, but you've got little positions at every 5 to 10 degrees for you to orient and lock it down. Then the feet open up. This is the max that it can open. So you would place this on the floor, adjust the back part, and rest the table. You've got lots of different orientations that you can have this in. And in certain cases, you can have it like this. So let's say if we have a smartphone, you can bring the feet together, place the smartphone in it, and then rest it against the back part. So this is what it looks from the top, and from the sides, this is what it looks like. So you have the feet, smartphone installed, and the back is used as a support. You can obviously change the elevation by bringing this part forward, and the smartphone will move even forward. So you want to change the angle of your viewing, you can do that quite easily. So that's it for the unboxing of the GIZGA Essentials portable foil stand. Thank you for watching.